What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you a pretty cool tool here that I got. It's called Spring Tools. It's the Painter Pro Pack. It comes with a nail setting tool and a door pin removal tool. And you can see there's both pins, and these are springs that are in the middle of each end. And how you use it: to pop a door pin, hold your door pin removal tool, which is the one here on the left, hold that on the bottom of your pin, and then snap back the spring about 1 to 2 inches, and it supposedly has 3,500 psi striking force to pop pins out. And you can use the other end to put the pins back in. And the other tool is a nail setter. Instead of carrying around a hammer and a nail set, you have this one tool here on each end. One side is 1/32 and the other is 2/32, and it'll finish putting in your finished nails without carrying a hammer and nail. It's made in the USA as well. I got this on Amazon for, I think it was 20 bucks. There's the part number, PM407. So, hammerless professional grade nail setting tool and door pin removal tool. 3,500 psi striking force. So I'm going to cut this open, we'll get it out, and I have a door pin here that I need to pop out, so we'll test it out. Okay, that's our nail setter. And here's our door pin removal tool. This is the end we want to use, and snap it up. And that's the end you would use if you wanted to drive your hinge pin back in. So we'll go over here to the door pin and we'll try it out. Okay, here's the pin we're going to pop out. So we'll just place this right here at the bottom of the pin, and we'll pull this down about 1 to 2 inches. And we'll see the pin drive up. There it is. Pretty slick. Now say I want to drive it back in. Let's try that out. Let's see how that works. Alright, that worked out pretty good. I'm impressed. We'll go to the shop now, get the brad nailer out, and we'll try out the nail set there on some brad nails. Okay, we're at the shop. Got a block of wood here. Got the brad nailer ready to go. I'm just going to shoot a few nails into this block of wood and we'll test it out. Okay, we got 4 in there. And you can see the heads of all 4 of them are just slightly sticking out past the wood, which is like a trim. So, got the bigger side and the smaller side, which the smaller side is the 1/32 and the larger side is the 2/32. There it is on the package. So let's try it out. Use the smaller side first. Do that with the outside ones here. Pull it back a little more. There we go. Try it again on this one. Alright, now these two, we'll use the larger side. Not pulling it back far enough. It's going to be a matter of feel. You don't want to, whoops, slipped off there. Let's go over to this one. Got to hold that pretty steady. There we go. That was a nice one right there. This one here, I wasn't holding the tool steady enough. And it slipped off. See if I can drive that one back in now. There we go. Yeah, so you definitely want to make sure you're holding on to this good when you're trying to set any of your nails. Otherwise it can walk off to the side like it did there. But all in all, I mean, these are two great tools. For 20 bucks, I mean, you can't beat it. I'll leave a link down below where you can get these from on Amazon. And you can have them shipped right to your house. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching. And we'll see you on the next one.